Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MyPhone N23 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find the display. Now we have to find the screen timeout option. Let's tap, and as you can see here we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top we've got relatively short options like 15 or 30 seconds, and at the bottom the longest option available in this device, which is 30 minutes. So all you have to do is to tap on the option like to use. I'll choose 2 minutes, and now we can go back. Okay, and as you can see it has been immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, after 2 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.